Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite 5G, and let me show you how to enable the TalkBack mode on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to go to the additional settings. Now let's tap on the accessibility and tap on the vision. Here we've got the TalkBack option on the second position, so let's enter, and before turning it on, let's customize it by tapping on the settings. Here we've got some options to personalize. For example, you can decide if you want to speak the passwords, so the passwords will be always spoken. You can decide if you want to feel the vibration feedback or sound feedback actually, and the feedback volume, or you can set the gestures. Let's tap here, and as you can see here, you can decide what you want to do after swiping up, down, left, right, up, then down. It's really up to you, and you've got a lot of options to customize. Just tap on it, and here you've got much more settings. Let me get back and leave it like this. And now, in order to turn on the TalkBack, just tap on this switcher near accessibility. Now your device is telling you that the TalkBack needs to view and control the screen and view and perform actions. So let's tap on allow. And as you can hear, the TalkBack is on. Actually, if you will turn on the TalkBack for the very first time, your device will open the tutorial, and of course you will be able to go through it and learn how to use the TalkBack. But now I will show you the shortcut of it. So actually I will show you how to choose something, or how to enter the app, and how to swipe. So first of all, let me show you how to choose something, for example the back button. Let's tap on it. You'll see a green frame, and then you will have to double tap to activate. Let's do the same, so tap, double tap, and here we are in the general settings. So here I can show you how to swipe. You have to use 2 fingers to do that, this way, and it's quite easy, or this way. It's up to you which option you will choose. Of course, you can do it this way. It's really up to you which one is much more comfortable for you. So now let me show you actually how to turn off the TalkBack, because I just shown you the basics. So let's tap on additional settings and double tap. Tap on accessibility and double tap. Choose vision and double tap. Tap on the TalkBack, double tap. Tap on the accessibility, double tap, stop, and double tap. And as you can hear, the TalkBack is off. So that's all. This is how to enable the TalkBack mode in your Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.